All Easy Pro wall mount air handler. This is Midea's wall mount air handler, and this is the most serviceable, friendly for installers, friendly for technicians, wall mount air handler that I've ever seen. And today I'm going to show you how, if you've got one of these, that it shouldn't take you 30 minutes to take apart your wall mount air handler. It'll take less than 5. So let's take it apart together. So we're going to take the front cover and we're going to lift it up. Then we're going to take these latches and we are going to lift them up. Put your fingers on each side or your hands on each side. Take the shroud off. Then we're going to take and we are going to lift up the cover for the electrical, and then we're going to lift up the stand. Got the stand lifted up. You can see the board. So this is an air handler that is so easy to replace a control board because it's not back here somewhere. We didn't have to take off this whole entire cover, right? And expose our coil into our motor. Now we're simply going to take our plug for our indoor motor off. Make sure that stand stays up. Then we're going to take our plug for our stepper motor and remove it from the board. And then we're going to take our drain right here, our drain tube off. And once we get that drain tube off, then it's as easy as, see this? 1, 2, put your hands right here. There's the indoor blower wheel with the drain pan and the indoor motor. I've never seen a wall mount air handler that's more easy to take apart than this air handler, the All Easy Pro. And you can get the wheel, the motor, or they'll sell you the whole assembly, which is amazing as well. But I can imagine that most brands, it's going to take you an hour to change out a wheel and a motor, where this, less than 30 minutes. So they're saving the installers and the technicians in the field a lot of time. And this equipment's easier to clean, because sometimes you don't want to take and get a maintenance bag and put a maintenance bag over a mini split when it's dirty. You want to take the wheel out, but sometimes it's hard to take the wheel out. So this is so easy to take the wheel out. I don't mind taking this wheel out to clean it instead of putting a maintenance bag. If my coil's not dirty, it's just my wheel that's dirty. This is amazing. So simple to put it back together. I'm going to take and roll this up into place. Look at that. Look at that. Latch, latch. Now we're going to take our drain, of course, and put our drain tube back on. Dual drain, so you've got a drain port on each side of the pan. We're going to take our wires and bring our wires back up, and then we're going to plug in our plug for our motor and our plug for our stepper motor, right? And once you get that situated, then we're going to take the stand and then our cover for our electrical. And then all we have to do is put our shroud back in place. So here's our shroud. One thing I did not mention, which I will go ahead and mention, which is this, there's a screw. Oh, get in place. All right, there's a screw right here. See that? And that screw, you have to take that out to actually get this cover for the electrical component section off. But got the latches. Drop the front cover down.
You're gonna have to.
Let's see, what have I got? Oh, okay, got this here. And that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.